Welcome to Beast Ride DIY, and Harbor Freight has super coupons from September 29th through October 12th right now. So let's jump right in. We'll kind of just go down the page. First off, we have some air compressors and tools. We have this McGraw 20-gallon 135 PSI oil lube vertical shop and auto air compressor. This is going to be $50 off at $199. It was $249. And this is ideal, it's saying, for intermittent air tool use, painting, nailing, stapling, and blowguns. Now, McGraw also has this 29-gallon, 165 PSI oil lube belt drive shop auto air compressor. This is going to be $499. It was $569, so you're saving $70. You can also get their no interest offer apparently as well. And this is for intermediate to more continuous air tool use. They do also have these air hoses. You can get the rubber air hose, which is 100 feet for $39.99. That's 20% off. Or the retractable air hose reel for $79.99, which is $20 off. Now, Pittsburgh has these 3-ton floor jacks they're a rapid pump. This is in slate gray. I don't think it comes with any more different colors, but this is going to be able to reach a working height in just 3.5 pumps, which is nice. $109.99. You're going to be saving $40 on this one. And now from Daytona, this is a 1,300 pound capacity self-loading positioning wheel dolly. What you do is you kind of load your car up like that. You can position it around and move it in kind of tighter spaces where you can't back up and in. This is going to be $99. It's $30 off. It was $129. And Pittsburgh has these 2.5-ton low pro aluminum racing floor jacks, and these can lift up to 5,000 pounds in just 3 pumps. These are going to be $189, and they were $229, so you're saving $40. And guys, if you do like these kinds of videos, go ahead and like and leave a comment below if there's something you want to pick up, or if you just think these deals aren't very good at all. I would like to hear that as well. Pittsburgh has these 20-ton hydraulic bottle jacks for $39.99. They're 33% off, and these can lift up to 40,000 pounds as high as 17 and 3/8 inches. Now, Daytona has these 1.5-ton ultra low profile high performance racing jacks for $269. This is going to be $30 off, and you can get up to one at this price. Now, Viking has these 1,000 peak amp lithium ion jump starters and power banks. These are $79.99. They're 20% off. You can get up to 2 at this price. These can jumpstart engines as large as 4-liter diesel and 6-liter V8 gas. And you're able to get 30 jumps per charge for this here, which is pretty decent. 1,000 peak amps is not too bad. And you can also use it to charge your iPhone or other devices. Next from Syntec, this is a microprocessed controlled automatic battery charger for $18.99. It's 24% off. And this is good if your battery is kind of losing charge and it has like a parasitic leak, which you're in the process of figuring out, or it just loses its charge every so often. You just need this in the meantime while you're getting a new battery. And this does have smart charging, so when it's charged up, it's going to switch to trickle charging to maintain batteries when the charge is complete. Next, from Hallmaster, they had these 300-pound capacity truck bed tailgate ladders, $29. They were 14% off. And this is how you use them. You kind of attach them to your tailgate. You can use it as a ladder, and when you're done, they actually just fold up onto the tailgate, and you can close it up, which is actually a pretty neat addition at 14% off. You can get up to 2 at this price. Now, next from Predator is this 350-watt power station. $259 is $20 off. It can power up as many as 6 devices at once and fully recharges in only 2 hours using a USB-C charging put. The lithium phosphate battery delivers more than 3,500 charge cycles for 10 years of daily use, it's saying. They've got a deep discount on these Drummond 1/3 horsepower submersible utility pumps, 2,000 gallon per hour. And this can drain flooded basements, window wells, and flat roofs. With this submersible pump, I guess they're getting rid of these. That's a pretty deep discount here. $49. It was $100. Next up, Ranger has these hard terrain gel knee pads for if you're like working on construction, you're doing tile, 25% off, and you can get up to 3 at this price. They had that gel core on the inside and the EVA foam padding, so you can use these for all day comfort, they're saying. Icon, you're getting this 3/4 inch drive, 100 to 600 foot per pound professional click torque wrench Really high ratings, almost 5 stars with 31 reviews, and this is gonna be $50 off at $349. Pittsburgh has this hydraulic wire crimping tool. This is gonna be 28% off at $49.99, and this is for making fast, secure wire crimping connections here. Now from Pittsburgh, we have this 7-inch wire stripper with cutter for $399. This is gonna be 33% off, and you can get up to 4 at this price here. And Pittsburgh has these half-inch drive impact socket extension pieces. This is a 4-piece set at $799. These are 33% off as well, and you can get up to 4 at this price. And this, I really like the color on this. You can get this in 1/4 inch, 3/8, or 1/2 inch. This is a 3/8 of an inch drive composite quick release ratchet. From Pittsburgh, it's $699. It's 22% off, and you can get up to 4 of these at this price. And it has that push button release, so you can press the push button and make the socket changes pretty quick. Icon's got this 16-ounce ball peen dead blow hammer for $29.99. That's 14% off. You can get the head weight different weights, 16, 24, or 32 ounces. And then Pittsburgh also has this 1-pound rubber mallet for $199, and that's half off. It was $399, and you can choose your head weight as well from 1 to 2 pounds. Now, these are some 24-inch UV resistant black cable ties. This is a 10-pack. And since they're UV resistant, you can use them outside or inside. You can get up to 4 at this price. These are 40% off at $149. And then Vanguard has these 25-foot by 12 by 3 gauge multiple outlet extension cords with indicator light. These are yellow and black at $18.99, which is going to be 24% off, and you can get 3 at this price. And they've also had these 12-inch stainless steel cable ties. Obviously, these are going to be pretty hefty. It's a 25 pack at 25% off at $399. And of course, we always need super glue. This is super glue gel, so it's not going to be runny. It's going to stay in place. And this is half off at 50% off at 99 cents. So if you're in the store, you might as well pick one of these up. Next from Predator, we've got this 4400 PSI. This is a commercial duty pressure washer. 420 cc's at $799. It's $100 off. They also have their, if you use their card, it's no interest, $34 a month, I think, for 24 months. And CoverPro has these 10 by 17-foot portable car canopies. So you can put them wherever you need to, breaking back down $179.99, $20 off. And I think this is more ideal for like smaller cars, just from the look in the picture. They also have this 330-pound capacity garden wagon. This is great if you're hauling around like mulch, plants, whatever you need to. You kind of want to save your back. $54.99. This is 21% off, and you can get 2 of these. They'd have those nice 10-inch pneumatic wheels, so you can use it gravel, mulch, really whatever kind of surfaces you want to use this on. Warrior has these security bit sets with case. This is a 100-piece set at $799. You can get up to 4 at this price, and this is going to be 11% off. Now, Warrior has these screw extractor and left-hand drill bit combo sets. This is a 10-piece set at $11.99. This is 14% off. You can get 3 at this price. It does come with a nice case, and this is designed to remove broken studs, bolts, socket screws, and fittings. And Hercules has this 14-inch all-cut combo diamond blade for $119. $10 off, nothing crazy, but it is a decent blade here. And this is an instant on-off telescoping flow-through brush. $16.99. You're getting 22% off. You can get up to 3 at this price. Now, this is kind of more for cleaning like RVs, hard to reach areas, gutters. They do have a little video here in case you want to check that out and see what it's about. Hercules has this general purpose bimetal hole saw. It's a 13-piece set to put onto your drill, $49.99. It's going to be 13% off, and you can get up to 2 at this price. Now, Bauer has this 8-amp, 4.5-inch paddle switch angle grinder. This is corded at $34.99. It's 22% off. It delivers up to 11,500 RPMs, and it has a 2-position side handle and tool-free guard. It says medium duty grinding and cutting. Can get up to 2 at this price here. And if we move on to Hercules, they have their 11-amp model as well. So it just depends which one you want. The Bauer or the Hercules. This one's $53.99. This is 10% off. I think this one's ratings are a little bit higher than the Bauer, but probably pretty similar. This one is 11,000 RPMs. I think the other is like 11,500. Now from Hercules, they have this 14-amp 1 7/8 inch variable speed rotary hammer with maximum vibration control. For $349, you're getting $100 off. And then Bauer has this 8 amp 3 inch by 21 inch variable speed belt sander, 49.49. 54, it was $54, 10% off, and you can get up to two at this price. It says it's delivering 30% faster material removal here. Now, if you need a roller seat, you're working on your car or other projects, this is Pittsburgh's pneumatic roller seat. It does have that nice tray underneath for tools and parts. It's $24.99. It's going to be 24% off as well. I don't think you can pick the color. I think this just shows only it's red here. I like these Franklin 800-pound capacity appliance hand trucks. These are nice because you can use these straps to carry a ton of weight, and you can actually use these to take items upstairs because they have this base here, which is pretty strong. And even though stairs can be a pain in the butt, you can tackle this with just yourself getting large appliances upstairs, although two people obviously would be better. This can handle it, and it's going to be $30 off at $99.99. Next up from Icon, you have this 37-inch, 400-pound capacity premium creeper in black, $74.99. It's going to be 16% off, and you can get up to two at this price. Now, if you just need something simple, this is a 19 by 29-inch folding platform truck, 18% off at $29. It was $36. You can get two at this price. And then from US General, this is a 5-outlet magnetic power strip with metal housing. It does also come with two USB ports. And you can look to the right here, all kinds of different colors, which is nice to match your tool station. 17% off. You can get two at this price, which is $27.99. Now, Bauer has these 16-inch tool bags with 6 pockets. I'm going to show you what you can kind of carry in these. So not a ton, but enough for like DIY projects. Or if you just have a small project you're going to carry a few items on, or just a repeating project, you want to keep the certain tools together. 41% off. That's a pretty decent deal. You can get up to 4 at this price. Or this may even be a good like Christmas gift if you're stocking up. Now from US General, they have these magnetic spray can and screwdriver holders. These come in all these different colors here. They have 2 holes right here and then the little holes for the screwdrivers. These are going to be 33% off or $9.99. You can get up to 4 at this price. And they also have these folding side trays for a 4-drawer tech cart. Now this is blue, but you can obviously choose your color here. 25% off. You can get 3 at this price if you have multiple carts at $14.99. Now this is a new item. It's a titanium 4.5-inch 8.5-inch F-style welding clamp. It's a 2-piece kit, $34.99. You can get 12% off, and you can get up to 2 at this price here. Now you can go on the website yourself and look at all these deals. Those aren't all the deals, but they're some of the deals I picked out that I thought were more decent deals, 20%, 30% and up. They obviously have a lot more. And then if you go on their website, you can also see their dollar days deals, which are good through October 8th. So another reason to go on and see if you want to pick some items up. I hope this video helped, guys, and go ahead and check out the rest of my videos.